Hi, and welcome to our video all about lavender essential oil. I'm Holly Draper. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and this is our 10-part video series where we're doing a video and an email packed with information about all of these top 10 most beloved and most useful essential oils. The information in this presentation has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease. The material provided herein is for educational purposes only. So we are talking now about lavender essential oil and all its amazing benefits. When you think of all the amazing things that lavender oil can do, pretty much it does everything. Thanks for joining us. No, I'm just kidding. We'll go through. So the name lavender comes from the Latin lavare, which means to wash, and it was one of the favorites of the Romans in connection with their lavish bathing activities. Lavender is regarded as the most useful and versatile oil, and it's really true. You can use lavender for just about anything, and it's been known as a general cure-all. Lavender essential oil is very beneficial for burns, for bruises, for scars. It's a great cistracean oil, which means it's wound repairing and it's cell regenerating, so it helps knit wounds together. It's useful with most skin issues, and it can be beneficial also for cracked skin. Lavender essential oil is pain relieving, and it can help the body bring down inflammation, and it eases spasms. And because it does all of those things, it's an amazing essential oil to use for headaches. You can also use it for migraines. Lavender essential oil is amazing for massages. Who doesn't love a great lavender massage, right? It's a great children's oil, and it's great also to use in elderly care. Emotionally, lavender essential oil is very balancing. So it balances the emotions, it's a mood enhancer, and it may be beneficial with depression. Lavender essential oil is a strong sedative, and it has a toning action on the body. It has a calming action on the heart, and it may be useful with palpitations. It also may be useful in helping to lower blood pressure. And it's useful to use with anxiety, and it's a calming oil. Most people know lavender is just a calming and a toning and a balancing essential oil. So it's good for relaxing. It's great to use with stress and stressful situations. It stimulates serotonin production in the body, and it may help with insomnia. Now, notice I have a little asterisk there. It's because sometimes it helps with insomnia, but it doesn't work for everybody. So if you do use lavender essential oil and it can help you sleep and help you fall asleep, fantastic. And if you use it and it doesn't, then there's another essential oil you can use. So lavender essential oil is amazing for the entire respiratory system. It's great for the lungs and the bronchioles. It restores and repairs internal damage deep in the lungs. So it's a really good essential oil for the lungs. It's also disinfecting and decongesting. So it's one of the best essential oils to diffuse into the air so you can breathe it in and everyone in the room can breathe it in. Lavender essential oil is boosting to the immune system. It's also useful to use as a deodorant. I like to combine it with cypress and lemongrass, and that makes a lovely natural deodorant. And some people wear it as a calming perfume. Let me really quick talk about why it is so important that your essential oils are organic. The number one reason why it's so important is to avoid exposure to toxic chemicals. Chemicals like pesticides, insecticides, larvicides, herbicides, chemical fertilizers, and sewage sludge. Once farmers use those toxic chemicals and they spray them on the plants, it's impossible to remove them, and traces of those toxic chemicals will actually end up in your essential oil. Understand that the phytochemicals, which are the beneficial, good, healing properties that we love from plants, right? The phytochemicals in essential oils through the distillation process, become 70 to 100 times more concentrated in the oil than they are in the plant. But that also works with those toxic chemicals. So this is the difference between an organic oil and a non-organic oil. Understand, organic oils are not even sprayed with the toxic, biocides, pesticides, herbicides, chemical fertilizers, and sewage sludge. Those don't even touch the organic plant, so there's no contamination there. But if you're using a non-organic essential oil, there will be traces of the pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, and chemical fertilizers in your essential oil, also concentrated up to 100 times. I hope you can see why it's so important that your essential oils, when we're dealing with these really concentrated chemicals, are organic. When you choose organic products, you also choose non-GMO, so not genetically modified organisms. You choose to protect our land, soil, and water. You choose to help preserve our ecosystem, and you say no to animal cruelty. Cleaner, healthier plants produce cleaner, healthier essential oils. It's just that simple. So understand, organic oils are always higher quality than non-organic essential oils. So how can I be sure that my essential oils are organic? You might be asking yourself. You want to see the word organic right on the front of the label. You also want to see it on the back of the label in the ingredient list. You want to see certified organic. And you also want to see the USDA certified organic seal right on the label. And that way you can be assured that the oil in that bottle is certified organic. If the words organic or wildcrafted are not written right on the label, then what you have is a non-organic essential oil. Purify Skin Therapy is proud to offer you only USDA certified organic and wildcrafted essential oils. And we're not just going after any organic oils. We actually offer you the highest grade, the superior quality USDA certified organic essential oils and wildcrafted oils. So that's our video on lavender oil, but understand it's only the 4th video in a series of 10. You want to get them all? Then just text the word peppermint to 72000 or check out our website, purifyskintherapy.com, for more information. Thank you so much for joining us.